The following video is a Gardner vertical double end opposed disc grinder. It's a model 2V18-18, serial number 469-2. It's new 1965. We're going to show the coolant pump first. Coolant pump's on. There's no coolant in the machine, that's just to show the pump is functioning. This is the orbital. It's top head. That's bottom. That's top and bottom at the same time. Jogging the head up. Jogging the bottom head up. Lowering it back. That's the carrier on, top and bottom disc on. Your dresser. Electrical compartment. Again, the following video was a Gardner vertical double end opposing disc grinder. It's a model 2V18-18, serial number 469-2. It's new 1965. Again, the serial number 469-2.